Let's unbox the 12 days of Clarins beauty surprises. This box is a 12-day advent calendar. Clarins also released a 24-day advent calendar, and I really wanted to get my hands on that. But according to the store where I bought this in Singapore, that was released in limited quantities and it got sold out really quick and only online, I think. So this is the next best thing, and I've heard a lot of good things about the contents of this advent calendar, and we are going to go through all of the items one by one. Unlike all of the other advent calendars that I unboxed, the suspense is not really very big on this one. There is a cheat sheet at the back. If you don't like surprises, you will find out what's inside of this box. But even if I didn't read any of this, there is like a very revealing photo here of what's inside the advent calendar. But I think this does make sense because of all the advent calendars that I got, this is the most pricey one. So it's best to know whether you're getting your money's worth. And I think the lineup here is pretty interesting, and I am looking forward to try more of the Clarins items because they're very highly rated and well reviewed. So let's start unboxing all of the 12 items in this advent calendar. Let's slide the cover up. Ooh, okay. Slide this off, and now you have, ta-da! A box of surprises that are not so surprised anymore. 12 surprises to celebrate nature. Okay. It's nice how this is packaged like this. There are small drawers for each day where you're supposed to open it, but like we're opening it all at once. Let's see what is inside drawer number 1. And we're already off to a good start. It's a Beauty Flash Bomb, tightening and radiance boosting, 50 ml. An immediate tightening and reviving effect. Beauty Flash Bomb visibly minimizes signs of fatigue, reduces the look of fine lines. Facial features are visibly smooth and tightened in a flash. Really? How can it do that? What are the ingredients? Shea butter? What's the active ingredient? I can't see how this is going to do that magic. Oat kernel extract. Oh well, let's open it. Ta-da! It's 50 ml. It's a decent size. Where is number 2? It's a thin one. Number 2 is a Total Eye Lift. So this is an eye cream. It's a lift replenishing eye concentrate. Number 3. Oh, it's a tiny baby one, and it has the Hydro Essential Moisture Replenishing Lip Balm with Blue Lotus Wax. Cute! No matter how small your purse is, this probably will fit. Number 4 is a hydrating gentle foaming cleanser with alpine herb and aloe vera extracts, normal to dry skin. So this is 30 ml, good travel size. Number 5 is a moisture-rich body lotion with shea butter for dry skin. It's 30 ml. Again, a good travel pocket size. It can fit your purse. Number 6 is a cleansing micellar water with alpine golden gentian and lemon balm extracts. So it's nice. We already have a foaming cleanser, and now we have a micellar water cleanser. It's good for a double cleanse. For people who are just starting out a skincare routine, one of the things that I recommend the most is to do a double cleanse, in which you use an oil-based cleanser first before a water-based cleanser to make sure that all of the gunk on your face is removed. Especially if you're using a sunblock, it's best to use an oil-based cleanser first to remove all of the sunblock in the evening before you sleep. Number 7 is a hand and nail treatment cream. Softens hands and strengthens nails. Cool. I like how the packaging of the items are no nonsense, very clean. Number 8 is a baby pot of Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch. What is that? Apply before makeup to wrinkles, fine lines, and dilated pores. Okay, looking forward to try that. So is it supposed to be a primer? Well, that's what I got from the instructions. It seems to be a primer that smoothens out your wrinkles and fine lines, so your makeup, your foundation goes on more smoothly without cracks. Number 9 is an SOS primer. It boosts radiance and it's 10 ml. Okay, so now you have makeup items. Well, all of these are actually skincare items, but I mean these items aid with the application of your makeup to make sure you have a smooth finish. Number 10 is an SOS Hydra Refreshing Hydration Mask with Leaf of Life Extract, 15 ml. Wow, like you're going to have a comprehensive skincare regimen after opening all of this and trying to use them all. Number 11 is, now this is really makeup. Wonder Perfect Mascara 4D in Perfect Black. If you're into a no makeup look, you just have beautiful skin from your very extensive skincare routine, and then you put on mascara and lip balm and you're good to go. Finally, box number 12 is I think this is a very popular item. I've heard a lot of good things about this. It's a lip comfort oil with sweet briar rose oil in the shade, it's number 4. It says here it is natural color and glossy shine, and it's makeup that's made for skin, made in France, because Clarins is a French brand. Here it is. So cool. I'm looking forward to try this out. That completes our unboxing of the 12 days of Clarins Beauty Surprises. I think this is such a satisfying box. There are only 12 items, but all of the items are of good quality and they really make sense when you build like your first skincare routine. And of course, Clarins is one of the trusted French brands that we could expect would deliver on their promises. Hopefully, I hope you had fun unboxing with me. Subscribe for more videos like this and other travel-related adventures, and Merry Christmas!